Hi friends, welcome to Lakshmi YouTube channel. Today I am sharing a tip how to put zero size beads into the thread without needle. For this we want a thread. This is normal thread. Beads. These are zero size beads and a clear nail polish. Sometimes it is difficult to put the thread into the beads because of small holes, zero size holes. So I am sharing a simple tip. Without needle we can put the zero size beads into the thread. Now take the thread, you can see, take the clear nail polish and apply it to the thread and remove the extra nail polish from the thread by using your hands. You can see how I am making. Just spread it for some length and let it dry. You can see after drying it becomes like a wire. Now take the bead. Here I have taken black bead. These are zero size black beads, and put the thread into the hole of bead. How I am easily putting the thread into the beads. Like this we can put all the beads into the thread. Once again I am showing how to apply the clear nail polish onto the thread. You can see how I am putting the clear nail polish on the thread and remove the extra nail polish and let it dry and use the thread. Like this we can make complete necklace easily. This is the simple technique to put the thread into the beads, zero size beads without needle. Do try it and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.